What's going on, guys? Richstylez here. We just finished our first giveaway, but don't worry if you guys didn't win. We got another one coming. Every 2 weeks, one lucky person is gonna be granted full access to the Freestyle Dance Blueprint course. If you want to enter that, go down to the comment section. Let me know what your favorite dance move is. Make sure you're a subscriber and like the video, and don't forget to turn on notifications, alright? Enjoy the video. What's going on, guys? Richstylez here. Alright, today we're going to be doing the shuffle or cutting shapes, but to me, this will always be the running man. I am a product of the 90s. I am a 90s kid, so that's my jam. Alright, it's actually a pretty simple move. First thing we're going to do is boom. Alright, so right in the front, left in the back, okay? Now, from here, this is the transition. So from here, you're going to go up. So you're bringing your left foot, or the foot that was in the back. Okay, let's do that again. So from here, we're gonna go boom, bring your knee up, and then the foot that was in the back is gonna go to the front, and it's, reverse. So now you're gonna bring the right foot up, boom, and then drop, okay? Again, so we go up, down, up, down. My God, that was so easy, right? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Now, a lot of people like to focus on the feet when they do that. Once you focus on the feet and then you master that part of it, now you can add some grooves to the upper body, all right? A lot of people just don't move their upper body. They just look like this. No upper body movement. What is that? So what I want to emphasize is the groove with the upper body. All we're doing is, all right, get it? So this is what's going to make it a little different. This is what's going to add a little bit of flavor, a little bit of style to it, okay? So all I'm doing is just going down and up. Hey, hey, hey. Up, down, up, down, up. Same groove from when we were doing the down, up move. So what it looks like is now what I'm doing with my arms, it doesn't really matter. I'm just freestyling that. You can really do anything, to be honest. For me, I'm just going down, up, and down, up, because this is the easiest one. So again, from the front, it's gonna go boom, boom. It doesn't matter what you do with your upper body, right? As long as you got that bounce, bounce. So this is what's gonna make the move look really, really nice. And it's gonna make you look relaxed, so you're not too uptight in the upper body, all right?